Check this out. Look at that. The tunnel goes down and then turns to the right. So we're gonna lower you down with a rope and the light, so maybe we can see what's in there. Check out what we found while quadding in the woods. What do you think it is? You can see the bottom?
Yeah.
How deep is it?
I might guess 60 feet maybe?
60 feet? Let's check it out.
I mean, yeah, you would die, but you can see the bottom.
You would die. Let's see. Oh, that's definitely deeper than 60 feet. Look at the steps. There's about 20 steps in each flight. So that's 20 feet. I would say it's closer to 100.
Oh, wow.
Well, it doesn't look like we're going to take the steps. What do you have there, Dan? A glow stick?
Those steps look pretty good. That rock's got to be pretty heavy.
Yeah, that's true.
You want me to go down?
I mean, the big one in the corner down there definitely could hold you. Oh, look how much brighter it got.
Yeah. The purpose is to bring it when it was dark.
All right, I think we're going to try to fly the drone down and see if we can see anything cool.
All right. I'm in.
All right, going down. Sayonara. Ambient light low. Do I need oxygen to fly? No.
That is pretty steady.
Why is it doing that?
What are you doing, man?
Why is it doing that? Get away from the wall.
He was a little jerky. He's still down.
My heart sank.
I know.
My heart sank. I don't know why I did that.
Don't you have like sensors on this?
It has sensors. Dude, it almost hit.
Yeah, I know. If it hit, that would have been done, right? That I don't know how you didn't hit. Oh, it opens up a little bit underneath that. Oh my God.
Man, that drone was almost an epic fail. I'm really glad that it didn't hit the wall. I would have been super upset about that. But there's another one of these shafts or tunnels, whatever you want to call them, on this property. We're going to go check that out. So stick with us. We'll be over there in a couple minutes. All right, guys. We found another mine shaft. After the last one was kind of a bust. Check this out. Look at that. You can see the tunnel goes down and then turns to the right. Or the shaft, I should say.
No.
I don't want to risk flying the drone down this one. So we're going to lower you down with a rope and the light and try to get it to go point to the right so maybe we can see what's in there. Now, should I go over the metal bar so it stays that way some?
Yeah. Otherwise, you're going to be in the corner by the time you get down there.
Dan, let me know when we're getting close to the end, all right?
There you go.
Didn't you tie it up?
You got a lot of fun, though. Oh, it is the whole thing.
I wonder if it goes that way too.
So you're right, I wonder if that's a water wheel, if this was just a shaft. That's what I'm thinking. A water shaft out
Yeah.
to the side of the mountain with things. There should be something down there.
The camera will pick it up.
There you go.
Back to the phone, just freeze here for a second. A little fast.
So you don't have it hooked up to your phone, do you?
Well, actually, I do.
Will the Bluetooth go that far?
Let me see.
Go up that way. And it's a ladder. You try to hold her, that crack.
Oh, let's see.
Right there, see that hole? What is that? What kind of ladder on the bottom?
That might just be a break, I don't know.
Or it could be cracked, yeah.
Oh, GoPro right here.
Get a good view down there.
CPR?
Yeah, it was literally just hot,
It's hovering right towards the ground.
panning back and forth.
Send it back up.
All right. I'm gonna roll up the rope.
Yeah, that is a big crack.
Did you see it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Where it is, dig a hole this deep, like in the middle of nowhere.
I know. Dig what kind of equipment?
Oh, they probably had all that.
Right, look, if I can. Probably aliens.
Think it was aliens?
Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, we think it's some sort of waterway system or old mining tunnel because it looks like it shoots down that way and goes down the mountain. We also found this other tunnel up here, which we don't know how deep it is. Thinking next time maybe we bring a skateboard or something. Put a light, put you on the front of the GoPro. Let's see, let me get a rock.
Get one of them little like Mars rovers. Drive it down.
Yeah, I'm sure that's pretty cheap. Hey, look.
Shine the flashlight down there?
Still falling, yeah. So it's like a pipe into a cavity. It's crazy.